Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the table layout. So for that, if your table is already drawn, then you have to just select the table. Once you select your table, the table tool will be open. In that you have to go to the layout. Now here there are multiple options available. We are going to see about how to insert the row and the column, how to delete the row and column, split and the merge of the cells, and edit the cell size and the alignment. So first here is the select. So if you see here, if you want to select a cell, then this option is useful. Now if you are going to see it like this, then if you want to select the column like this is the purpose of select. Then the view grid line, as the name suggests, it is a show or hide the grid lines within the table. So if you want to hide or make it visible, then you have to use the grid line. Then there is the properties of your table. So these are the different properties you can change from here. After that there is a delete. Okay, so delete, you can delete any cell, you can delete any column and delete any row or the delete table. First we will see how to insert row and the column. So for that, what I have to do, the horizontal ones are your rows and the vertical ones are your columns. Now I want to insert a column in between roll number and the student. So what I will do, I will click over here and insert the right. So now you can see here it is inserted here. So one more way to insert column and row is just right click over here, and from here you can see there is an option, that is a insert. And here also they are giving an option, like if I want to insert on the left, I can insert on the left. So these are the options available in the layout, but if you right click, you can get the same option from the insert also. So in this way you can insert the column, whichever column you want to whichever wherever you want to insert the column, just click over there and insert it like this. So you can insert any of the number in your table. Now next is how to insert the row. So if you want to insert a row between 1 and 2 roll number, then just click on the one number and insert row below like this. So it is inserted over there. Now if you want one row in between roll number and the one number, then just like this you have to click and it will be inserted over there. In this way you can insert and a row and column. So now if you want to delete that row or column, just select that row and delete the row like this. Now this column I want to delete. So what I will do, just select and delete the column. Just select and delete the column. In this way I can delete the row and the column. Now I don't want this cell to be here. Then what I will do, just click here and delete it like this. You can delete the cell, but your alignment will be misplaced. So before deleting any cell you have to think about it. Now after that there is a delete table. For that you have to just click over there and it will be deleted. So in this way you can delete, insert the rows, columns and the table. So that is the use of delete, insert and left, right, above and below. So if you want to insert column, then you have to use this insert left and insert right. If you want to insert row, then you have to use insert below and insert above. For deleting any cell, row or the column or the table, you have to use this option. One more option is there, just right click over here, so it has the option of deleting and inserting also. Just select it like this and you can see here delete a table. Like this you can also delete your table. Next is the merge, split and split table. Now what I want to merge the cells. Now I will see how to split the cell. Just select it, number of column 2 and number of rows 1, like this. Now I'm going to split this cell. What I have to do, just select that, select like this. If I want to make a 3 columns and 2 rows in that cell, just it will do like this. That is the use of split cell. Then merge cell. Now just one click and it will be merged. Now I am going to click over here. Now here you can see I have selected all the 6 part and I have clicked on the merge cell and it will be merged. Now once more time what I will do, I have selected these 2 columns and I will click on the merge and they will be merged like this. Now what I want to add some more here like this and 4. Now what I want is I want the roll number 134 in one table and split another 2, 5, 10 in the another table. So what I will do, split the table like this. I'm going to select it and split the table and split the table. So in this way I can split the table. So you can see here my table is split 1 3 in one table and 4 5 10 in one table. So what I have to do, from where I want to split, I have to click on that position. If I want to bifurcate my table from 2 5 10 and 1 3 4, then I have to click on the 2 and split the table. Once you click over here, it will be split like this. Now here you can see 1 3 4 and 2 5 10. In this way you can split your table. Next is the Autofit. Now what happen if I put some name over here like this very big name, student name or something like that. Now sometimes what happen, the cell for that is not proper. So if I want to fit that, auto fit it like this, you can auto fit the content inside your table. So auto fit window also you can do, fix column width you can do, and auto fit the contents. Now if I am going to select with this, now you can see it is selected as per the roll number, not as per anything. Now if I am going to select the fees remaining and select auto fit, now it is going to be like this. So from here you can auto fit the content. Next is the increase the height and the width. If you want to increase the height and the width of your cell, you can also do the same. Now what I am going to do is I am going to increase the width also. If I am going to increase the width, it is going to increase like this. So in this way you can increase the height and width. Then distribute rows like this and distribute columns. So I have distributed equally the rows and the columns. So before distributing it, you can see the rows and columns are not equally distributed. First I have distributed the rows, then I have distributed the columns. That means they are equally distributed. Next one is your alignment. So now if you are putting some name over here, now I don't want this, delete the column, delete the column. Now I want to align my uh, text inside the table. On the left hand side I have to click over here. I want it in the center, you can click over here. If I want it like this, on the right it will like this, in the center and in the left, in the center and the center, like this. They have given so much option over here. So now next is the text direction. So now it is providing three direction. One is a horizontal, one is like this and another is like this. So you can also change the direction of your text. Next is the sale margin. If you increase the top, bottom and like this, the sale margin will be different. So whenever you have a different types of sell margins, like I am using it something, then sell margin is going to be on the top and then bottom, left and right. So that is the use of, like this you can see here, it is activated. In this way you can also change the left and right. If I increase it like this and click on the OK, you can see it is going on the right. So in this way you can change left, right, top, bottom of your table, that is a sale margin. So that is the use of alignment. So in this way we have seen in this video in how to insert row and column, how to delete row and column, split and merge the cell, edit cell size, alignment. Thank you.